Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to study English using an easy method. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult or overwhelming. The key is to integrate it naturally into your daily life. We'll explore simple, effective strategies that you can start using today. By focusing on consistent, small efforts, you will build a strong foundation and see significant progress over time. Let's make learning English an enjoyable and straightforward journey together. One of the most effective ways to learn is through immersion. Try to surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch your favorite shows in English with English subtitles, then try without them. Listen to podcasts during your commute or while doing chores. Reading English articles or even short stories for just 10 to 15 minutes a day can greatly expand your vocabulary. Even changing your device language helps you encounter new words constantly. Passive learning is good, but active practice is crucial for fluency. Don't be afraid to speak English aloud, even if you're just talking to yourself or narrating your day. Try writing a short journal entry or a few sentences about your day. This improves your grammar and sentence structure. If possible, find a language exchange partner for real conversations. Dedicate about 20 minutes daily to active practice, focusing on speaking and writing. Consistency is truly the secret ingredient for long-term success. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated English study every single day. Regularly review new vocabulary and grammar points you've learned, perhaps for 30 minutes once a week. Tracking your progress, like the number of new words learned or books read, can be incredibly motivating. Remember to celebrate your small victories along the way. They add up to significant progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.